Now you got all those screws I pointed to off, and you know, these little magnets are a nice place to put screws. Now you can get this part off and this part. Okay, so it takes a little finagling, but you should be able to get it. I think it's locked down there. It's got a little tab there, so you don't want to break that tab. And then on this side, you got to be careful because there's that ribbon cable right there. You don't want to tear into that. You see, it's kind of chewed up a little already, so you got to watch that. And then once you move it enough, you can pop the whole thing off. So now, let's take a look at all the other stuff. Sorry about all these camera movements. I'm trying to get it so you can see, but yeah, so now you got the carriage rod. You got all these little mechanisms. So if you want to start getting into there, you take these 4 bolts off, and then you can remove the cover. And I'll show you that next.